Welcome back again, guys. Today, as you can see, we're in a bush again, people. Another episode in the jungle. We'll cook some food. So people, right now we'll cook some crayfish with some rice. You don't know, when I'm not cold today, so you know we'll catch up a wood fire and so I can go on, right? So right now we'll see if we can get a coconut, because we want a coconut to use with the crayfish. So we have a machete right here. We're going to look see if we can find a coconut right now in the bush. We'll come back, hooks it out, grate it, get the juice, and cook some crayfish, people. So let's get that done. Guys, see the coconut tree here. I don't know if you can see, but some coconut, some dry coconut up in it. Yeah, see them there? Let's see if we can get out 1 or 2 from this tree now to use. Guys, right now I have no bamboo or anything to pick the coconut them. Can't climb this tree. So you're right, let's try to see if we can use one of the coconut. Let's see if we can use this to get off one of the coconut. Let's watch out right now. Get one. I get the next one just in case the first one not good. Yeah. So it's that all people. That's how we survive, you know. You go have a stick or you can't climb the tree, you get something and lick off one of them. So we get 2 a while ago, but I don't remember where one went. Ooh, what did I do? Oh, I found it. See it here? Find a coconut, guys. Nice, that shake. So people, we're gonna see if we can get 2 of them we get. So hopefully one of them good. We'll it from here, so I'm gonna bring it to which part we'll cook. And if the next one good, we're gonna bring it home. So next one down in here, so we can see if we can get it out. But is it good? So now we get the coconut from the bus. Oh, nice coconut, no? You see that? Nice dry coconut, people. Yeah. Nice one, listen. See this? Nice. Listen. The shake. So, we're not going to waste these husk people, because you know, they catch a fire, we might need them. We'll bring them with us to catch the fire. What we are going to do now is, with them here, you know, we are going to use the coconut in the crayfish, and we are going to use the husk them to make a fire, you know. Oh, trust me, ants are bite me up, yo. Woo. Ants catch me. So I head back now for people to the spot and then we show you guys what's up. Keep on watching. We're going to create the fire right here, so you know. So we have to try to get here so kind of level where we can make the fire and you know. So it doesn't. Anyway, I try to get it level enough. We get the fire right started right here. People try to get the fire side start out the right way, you know, because you don't know, you don't want no problem when we start, when the fire start up. So we need one more stone, put right here, and we're all set. It's time to get the fire start, to get rid of some of these mosquitoes, you know, because these mosquitoes going crazy right now. So I try to get a fire, get rid of some of the mosquitoes. Mosquitoes that make it go and warm up. So whenever time we roast the coconut and grate it, we have a fire because we have to go prepare the crayfish and everything, you know. So you know we are going to want the fire to warm up. So when time we just come to boom one time and get everything up. Alright, so we're just going to use this for now. Alright people, so see it? This is what we have right now, working with some crayfish. We get them 2 crayfish here the other day and we decided to see them we will go look about with some coconut milk and some vegetables, and this is gonna be lunch today. Yeah. So we have a coconut right here. Get it washed off now. Time to get the coconut from the shell. Alright people, so see the coconut grate up. So I'm gonna, yeah, fresh grated coconut. So I get some juice, get some water inside this now, juice it out, and ready to go up on the pot. I mean ready to go up on the fire, which we're gonna use with crayfish them. So if I get this, I set this aside a little first, and then we're gonna clean up with crayfish, and we'll get some juice out of this and put it on the fire. Stay tuned for that. Time to get the crayfish them clean up now. I get the crayfish them clean now. So we're gonna put it right there. So this is me washing the crayfish now. I'm gonna get it spick and span. Clean off any little thing to clean off. So as you can see, we have the crayfish right there, and we have a little seasoning which we are going to put on them. So I got to add the water now, guys. Add the water to our coconut and squeeze. Grater, guys. See, this is one of the trash. Wow. Have some rich milk now, guys. Rich coconut milk right now. See that? Fresh coconut milk. Alright people, so you see that you just blaze up before you put on the pot. All that's left to do now, I get the crayfish, put in the pot, you can get a red color, and then we'll put in the coconut milk. But also we'll cut up some onion, some pepper and so on. You understand? Now we have some mixed vegetables which we are going to put in it whenever it go down a little. So right now we'll wait for the pot to hot, and then we're going to add in the crayfish, and then when them they burn a little, we'll get them back out, and we're going to add in the vegetables with the coconut milk and so on. So yeah guys, yeah, just keep on watching and I'm going to see everything will go on. I carry through the entire process. Hope you all like this video. So guys, we'll look about some crayfish and some rice, but we'll get the crayfish salt out first, and then we're going to put on the rice, people. So thumbs up for that one here, guys. Blessings. So right now people, I'll get the crayfish in the pot. Crayfish are going in the pot now. These are going to get a brown color, which we are going for, guys. Well, red. Alright guys, so we just move them around in the pot, and you soon see them change color. Oh, the meat on this thing is so beautiful. Like, look at that. Treasure. Guys, we are getting the coconut milk now because we don't want the pot to burn. So, it's time for our coconut milk. Look at this now. That. Got everything. Oh my, this smells so good. And nothing not going in it as yet. This smells so amazing, yo. Alright peeps, so watch how I go now. We have to move fast, so next step. I get the season them cut up. But when I cover the pot, because we cover it, it'll go dry out quicker. So I get the season them cut up now and ready. So guys, we dice up some onions. Yeah, some onions, pepper, got up a pepper also. Of garlic. Alright. And we have a piece of sweet pepper. Alright. So people see we have all the seasoning. We have onion, pepper, garlic, sweet pepper. This is what we're gonna use in the pot. So let's go. So this is what's up. This is what's going on here also. Time to put it in the pot. Alright. I'm gonna give this a nice stir. So for a minute now, we have some beans, some mixed vegetables. We're going to put in right now. The first I have to cut the tin open. Cut the tin open. Get off the water. Get the pot open. So guys, just sample a piece of the crayfish. Oh my, it is amazing. The coconut juice, everything just right. Trust me, right now I'll need a little more pepper, so I go put in a little more spice tonight. I don't know, say if I get the next pot on. Once the next pot is on, at the rice time. So guys, keep on watching. If I get the pepper in the pot now, and then we'll get on the rice pot in a few. Bless up. So the time has come where the pot shall come off of the fire. Yeah. That one side, and soon show know what go on inside of that. Oh my. Can't wait to get this with some rice, yo. Alright, so next pot I'll go on. Same time. And we got some water, got some noodle, and we got some macaroni, some onion, some pepper, and then we're gonna wash the rice straight into the pot. Let's go. So here I got some macaroni now, peeps. I got some more the noodle. I got some salt. I will stir that. And I got the pepper, the onion, and then the rice afterwards. Pepper and the onion. I get off the skin. Off of the onion. All clean. Extra flavor, you know? Right, so this is how inside of the pot look right now. So we'll cover it back and give it some time until it top boil. And then we're gonna wash the rice and add it in. See it? We need to get the fire up now and we're good to go. Just like that, we get the fire ready. Yeah, we just want this to start boil now, get the rice washed and put it in the pot. Yeah. Alright guys, let me show you what going inside of this pot now. Whew, that's kind of hot. Voila! Yes, vegetables, crayfish, coconut juice. Oh my, can't wait to begin. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are giving rice the second wash now. This is our second wash for the rice piece, so you know, have to get the rice washed before you put it in the pot. Alright peeps, so check my rice now. It's supposed to cook, you know guys. think it needs to be, want to steam a little more, get down. Still have a little water in it. So I give it maybe like 5 more minutes and it should be good. So I'll sample this, and if it's good, you know we're going to share it out. The moment of truth has arrived, you know. Look at that steam. See that, you know, say a trouble. So guys, we're going to share some food now. So we're going. Yeah. You know, so it's time to get the crawfish. Voila! Yeah. Right. Got this now, people. Take a look at this. Take a look at that. Ooh, sweet. Yeah. Nice. Y'all see the full preparation of this meal. This is a very nice meal. I have to give God thanks for this. Yeah. Right now this looks so good. So we are going to dig in right now. I'm going to tell you exactly how it tastes. If you have a fault, we are going to tell you you have a fault. If you don't have none, you're not going to get no excuse. So let's dig in and see how this tastes. Alright, first thing we taste as we put it in our mouth, the spice. The pepper. You taste that. Not too much season. So the flavor of the crayfish don't gone. Why? Honestly, I don't find any excuse with this. This is amazing. This is just delicious. This is really good, no joke. This is really nice. This is really nice. Guys, look at my plate now compared to when I just started. This is good. Why? Somebody have lift me up from here, so my belly is full. All I need right now is a nice coconut. I mean jelly, coconut, whichever one you call it, and I'm good to go. So So I try to get a coconut now, people. End of the video. I need some rest. I need a good shower now. And a nice lay down. Belly is so full. Yeah. So the crew now, I clean up back them garbage here. We're gonna head out, try to get a coconut, get some water to drink, and that's it. Stay tuned. Alright people, so we make it out of the bush. That's at the end of the video, guys. Hope you all enjoy it. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, people. We're in a fine field. As you can see, pure pineapple, breadfruit tree, coconut tree and everything. You see me? So yeah, hope you all enjoy that. It's the final of that video. Thumbs up. Remember to drop a subscribe if you don't subscribe as yet. Turn on the post notification and keep on watching, guys. Until my next upload, peace out.